So, hello everyone, friends. Today is Mr. Venkat. He's from Mysore. He's a lawyer and tax consultant. He's been practiced for last so many years, and he's our thoughtful investor member for long. And I know how Mr. Venkat is, always, actively involved with us and involved in the sessions, also in participating. And let us listen from Mr. Venkat directly. So, how are you, Mr. Venkat? Hope all good.
Fine, sir. By grace of God, I'm good. Everything is fine. So I have learned a lot from your THI program, and it has strengthened my thinking and analyzing capacity. Thank you for that.
Yeah. So can you tell me how was your journey overall? No, how you started and when you started, what you were doing, and now after joining or what your changes you have done in your investing style and how it has helped you over the time.
Yes, sir. I'm investor from a quite long time. So basically, from the last after COVID, once the index came to a very low level, then I thought it is better to be fundamentally strong and analyze and understand the market. So by coincidence, I came through this thoughtful investor hub over the internet. So I got to gain knowledge and understand the market in depth with the basics. So I got enrolled. I am a gold member. So from this is the only website where you get from the basics, from ABCD of investing to the XYZ, mean to the technical analysis, everything A to Z it is taught, and it is only the knowledge store and knowledge ocean of knowledge is kept before you. How much you imbibe and how much you involve yourself, that makes you a strong investor. And don't go by day trading or giving 10%, 5% for one day. It is a one day game. This is a long term, long. This, as Tapan sir has said, this is a marathon which you have to start. You have to run every day, and you earn your salary, you have to work every day and get it. You cannot keep it and take away tomorrow morning. That's not possible. I have learned a lot from this website, and thank you for Tapan sir for sharing his knowledge and putting a lot of efforts in teaching people. And one more thing I have to say, it is easy for anyone to supply fish one day, but teaching how to fishing is a specialty of Mr. Tapan sir. He has done it a lot. I think most people will benefit from this.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Venkat. Just wanted to know before this, how you were selecting a stock, and now what process change you have done after joining the how what's a change now?
Earlier, I used to go some economic times and other some sources and to instantly pick up stock. But now I have finished a hackathon 2 times. So having learned many things from that, so basics, fundamentals, fundamental analysis, sectoral analysis, it is, in the sector, topmost is stocks analysis. So everything has put me, and especially that graph analysis. So upward graph, then AD,
Yeah,
not possible to explain 5-10 minutes. It's a knowledge what you gain by involving every day in the learning.
correct,
So
correct.
by joining thoughtful process, I have streamlined, I have predefined this one, especially what you have thought, that is investment and how many years, how many percentage returns you have to get. So many things are there. So which has helped me and really putting into practice in
Great,
selecting
great,
the stock.
great, great. So, how is your portfolio structure? Means how was earlier and now what type of gain you have got it?
Earlier, my portfolio was 30-40 stocks. So I over a period of time after joining thoughtful investors, I reduced it 25 stocks almost. But in the month of March, when some market shakeup was there, I had sold it full. I had became 100% cash. Now only in April 5th or April 6th, when the market came down, I have reinvested. Almost I am fully invested, sir.
Very good.
And I'm into 7-8 sectors, and around 22 stocks are there. And by the grace of God, whatever selection I made, God has blessed me.
Very great. So what's the value of the portfolio and what's the profit size around roughly?
Yeah, it is a not an individual portfolio, sir. It is a family portfolio,
Yeah, yeah.
and myself, my son, my wife, everybody put together around 20 lakhs. I have made about more than 40% returns in 1 year,
Wow.
and it is only hard work and every stock. It is my. I want to repeat and say it is something like a garden. Every plant in your garden, every flower in the garden, you should know by its roots, and from when it blossomed, everything you should know. Then only you can make money
Correct, correct. No,
by
it's a,
going by.
it's a yeah. So
Tell me, sir.
it's a very good profit, Venkatesh, and I know, no, as I think from here also India will grow. I think will be your in a way portfolio size will also go up. So that's a good thing. So how you are planning for the future now? How you want to go now? Hope your path is clear, and how you want to go from here.
I'm going through the economic news and getting daily news. I think the next 10 years will be a golden decade for the India. So only the sectors which are going to, especially when Modi gets selected third term, definitely defense will be in a very strong area. Defense, then the infrastructure, the capital goods. So these are areas where you can make good money.
Great.
Basically, more what my personal feeling is that before understanding the market, you should understand yourself. You should have self
Yes.
control. You should not run behind news and burn your money. Retaining and holding capital is a basic thing, and knowing yourself is a basic thing.
Perfect. Perfect. So before we go, Venkatji, what is your suggestion or advice to our members? How should they go carry on their journey?
Read, sir. How much you read, how much you understand your knowledge, and it should become instantly the daily practice. What you do once you sit before the screen. I'm not a daily trader. I'm only investor. But look at the whenever I get time, I sit before the screen and analyze how the operators fool the people when they get out. Yesterday, for example, Cochin shipyard was moved for a long time. Yesterday was the evening was a return. Took the script to the lower level. So you should be aware that you should not lose your money. You have to retain, and you should be how much update you get every day before trading. You should know what is the script, what is the sector, what is the impact that will have. So if you enlarge your knowledge, you will be safe.
Yes, yes. Enlarge the knowledge and attend, continues the session the way you are attending TIH sessions every time. Because I
Yes,
see Mr. Venkata is always there in the session, most of the session. So that I can say, no, you are quite punctual, but that is helping you now. Because no, you
definitely.
are able. Hmm,
No, that becomes a part of your thinking process. Unless your thinking process gets involved, you become one in that you cannot become. And you should not be carried away by the flashing screens. You should become instantly uh, on your own. You should be able to react to the market reactions.
correct, correct. Great, great, Venkatji. Thanks for joining today and thanks for joining a success story. And I can see great future here from here also after the election, hopefully, and we all will prosper us. Okay. So thanks, Mr. Venkat, for joining and do attend the session regularly. Okay. And wish you all
Yes,
the
sir.
luck for future.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.